watching how to tile a shower curb with Schluter trim. It can be very difficult to get everything to be level, so I just want to show you guys what's going on here. All right, we got a 45-degree angle cut here. These are not glued down yet. The reason I have this weight bag with the Red Guard bucket sitting on top of it is because when I took my leveling bar and put it on it, it needed to be where it came down just a little bit. Have yourself a lot of little clips ready, and I forget what these are called, I can't think right now. Usually I know what everything's called, but I'm getting old. All right, so the main things you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you got your tile gapped, and usually your lines will match up. Like on the other side, all my lines will match up with my grout lines, but right here I couldn't make it possible. I'm not gonna cut my shower curb where it's gonna come cut every 6 inches. So you usually make your lines match up. I've got this where I've got them clamped so they can just squeeze the mortar right out of it and be flush. So everything is perfect right there. Like I said, make sure you have a leveling bar ready so that everything is level, because the last thing you want to do is go and put in a shower curb that's not leveled. You go to put in your glass door and it's lopsided and you got a 1/2 inch going up against the wall. So those are the main things you're going to want to do when putting in a shower curb. Every single measurement has to be exact. It's very difficult, and if you're not up for the task, hire somebody. And even after you hire somebody, he may be an idiot, so you want to watch over his work. That's the number one thing you got to do. Every single day that guy that you hire, just in case you're hiring somebody to do any kind of work around your house, that you watch over his work. Meaning that if you use your common sense, if you got some, because most people do, that if you see something that's not correct, question it. And if you know it's not correct, fire him. Okay, because you don't want your, you may have lippage, check for lippage, like on your tiles and stuff like that. Or over here, make sure that you have a slope on a shower curb. You have to have, I believe it's 1/4 inch for every 12 inches, where if you take a leveling bar and put it up against it, that it will slope downwards. That means when water hits this, it will drain downwards and go right into that drain. Also with your shower pan that I have built here, you can see the slight slope on it where all the water is going to drain into the drain. Okay, so that's about it. Hopefully one of these little tips helped you out, and maybe I'll just skim around here so you guys can see what's going on the inside right here. I always leave a little gap here, just enough for the grout line. You can see where this goes. It can almost tuck under there. Well, it's supposed to, there it goes. Well, it goes under so I can shove some grout up in there, and that way it stays in. So I think that's it. Pretty much talked about everything I could here. And that's about it. So give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.